Hello YouTube, this is Mr. Shorley again, and this time I'm making a review on my 501st Commander. He's sort of like Commander Devis, which I showed in my last video. So he has the, I forget what the gun's called, but, yeah. And then he has the other small guns. He has a little rubber band there that holds the other gun for the back. He's not supposed to be Commander Oppo, but he's just supposed to be another commander that I made up. And he has micro binoculars, as you can see. They also go up and down. And he has a waist cape and a shoulder karma. Guess that's it.